Hello there, welcome back. Today I want to expose a shocking case about Pearson VUE, the exam provider that claims to make online testing convenient. A client, let's call her Person A, inboxed me on WhatsApp. She was frustrated, exhausted, and honestly at her breaking point. She told me she lives with cerebral palsy and is paralyzed, so online testing isn't a luxury. It's her only option. On her first attempt, Pearson VUE never attached her accommodations. With accommodations, you can't schedule online. You must call in. She didn't know this, so her exam was invalid before it even began. She had to pay out of her pocket for the second attempt because her first voucher couldn't be reused. So, on test day, she checked in early, followed every instruction. Then the chaos began. First, a pop-up said, "We can't check you in. Stay in the queue or click for help." She clicked help, expecting a proctor. Instead, it led to a reschedule page. No human, no supervisor. Then it got worse. The system accused her of being a bot. She completed the CAPTCHA, but nothing changed. Time kept running, support was closed, and the screens even contradicted each other. Finally, Pearson VUE marked her as a no-show. Think about that. She checked in on time. She had accommodations. She followed every rule. Yet the system locked her out, charged her money, and labeled her absent. The impact was crushing. Financially, 2 attempts lost, 1 fully paid out of pocket. Physically, as someone with cerebral paralysis who cannot drive, this shut her out completely. Emotionally, she told me she was ready to give up on her career goals. And here's the truth. Accessibility isn't about having a policy on paper. It's about what happens when the system fails. And Pearson VUE failed this disabled candidate. Twice. What do you think? Should Pearson VUE be held accountable for this kind of treatment? Drop your thoughts in the comments.